Hi viewers, the Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is a premium SUV that blends power, luxury, and advanced features seamlessly. Toyota has always been known for making reliable and powerful SUVs, and the Legender variant is an upgraded version of the Fortuner, offering a more stylish and feature-rich experience. The Pure Blue edition adds an exclusive touch with its bold design and premium aesthetics. This SUV is designed for those who seek a luxurious yet powerful vehicle that can handle any terrain effortlessly. Whether it's city roads or off-road adventures, the Fortuner Legender delivers outstanding performance with unmatched style. The sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and superior comfort make it a standout choice in its segment. In this review, we will dive deep into the exterior, interior, engine performance, safety features, and pricing of the Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue to see what makes it a top contender in the SUV market. The Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue boasts a bold and aggressive exterior design. At the front, the SUV features sleek LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights (DRLs) that enhance its stylish appeal. The glossy black grille and sharp bumper design give it a premium and muscular stance, setting it apart from the standard Fortuner. Moving to the side, the SUV stands tall on 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, adding to its sporty character. The blacked-out ORVMs, outside rear-view mirrors, roof rails, and chrome accents further elevate its modern design. The exclusive Pure Blue color adds a unique identity, making it instantly recognizable on the road. At the rear, the split LED tail lamps, a roof-mounted spoiler, and a sculpted bumper complete the SUV's dynamic look. The Fortuner Legender badging on the tailgate signifies its premium status, ensuring that this SUV turns heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside the Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue, you are greeted by a premium and modern cabin designed for both comfort and sophistication. The interior features a dual-tone theme with high-quality leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting that enhances the luxurious feel. The driver-centric dashboard is equipped with a large 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The instrument cluster features a digital-analog combination, providing clear and detailed driving information. Additionally, the wireless charging pad, ventilated front seats, and a premium JBL sound system make long journeys more comfortable and enjoyable. Passengers in the second row benefit from ample legroom, reclining seats, and rear AC vents for enhanced comfort. The third row seats are also spacious enough for adults on short trips, making it a practical 7-seater SUV. A powered tailgate, multiple USB charging ports, and a panoramic sunroof available in some regions add to the premium feel of the cabin. Overall, the interior of the Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is designed for those who seek luxury, convenience, and advanced technology in their SUV. Under the hood, the Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is powered by a 2.8-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, which delivers 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. Toyota has equipped this SUV with a 4x4 drivetrain option, making it highly capable for off-road adventures. It features multiple drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport that adjust throttle response and steering feel according to driving conditions. The high ground clearance, approximately 225 mm, and rugged suspension setup allow it to tackle rough terrains with ease. The hydraulic power steering provides a well-balanced driving experience, whether cruising on highways or maneuvering through city traffic. Toyota's brake assist and traction control system enhance handling and stability, ensuring a confident drive in all conditions. Despite its size and power, the Fortuner Legender maintains decent fuel efficiency, offering around 12 to 14 km/h depending on driving conditions, making it a practical choice for long-distance travel. With refined engine performance, impressive off-road capabilities, and a smooth driving experience, the Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is a powerhouse SUV built to handle any journey effortlessly. Toyota has prioritized safety in the Fortuner Legender Pure Blue, equipping it with advanced driver assistance features and a strong body structure designed to handle impacts effectively. The SUV comes with 7 airbags: front, side, curtain, and driver knee airbag, providing excellent occupant protection. It also features an anti-lock braking system (ABS) with electronic brake force distribution (EBD) and vehicle stability control (VSC) to ensure stability on all road conditions. One of the standout features is Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision system. These advanced safety technologies enhance driving confidence, especially on highways. For added convenience, the 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors helps with easy maneuvering in tight spaces. The tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS) alerts the driver about any potential tire issues, improving overall road safety. Additional features like hill assist control, downhill assist, and traction control make the Fortuner Legender a perfect SUV for both urban and off-road driving. Toyota has also reinforced the SUV's chassis with high-tensile steel, making it even more robust in case of a collision. With a 5-star NCAP safety rating, the Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue stands out as one of the safest SUVs in its category, ensuring complete peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The Toyota Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is priced between Rs 45 to 50 lakh ex-showroom, India, depending on the variant and additional features. While it is on the expensive side, it offers premium features, top-notch safety, and outstanding performance, making it a worthy investment for SUV enthusiasts. Compared to rivals like the MG Gloster, Ford Endeavour if reintroduced, and Jeep Meridian, the Fortuner Legender stands out for its reliability, resale value, and Toyota's service network. It is a vehicle built for those who demand power, luxury, and road presence. The Pure Blue Edition adds exclusivity, making it a head-turner on the road. If you are looking for a rugged yet stylish SUV with off-road capabilities and premium features, the Fortuner Legender Pure Blue is an excellent choice.